So, friends, today we'll try to learn how to make how to plot box plot using Origin software. Let's see here we have four different datas like under A column A we have few data points 11, and under B we have few data points, and C and D we have several data points under these columns. And in order to make the box plots, you just choose all that, and x y you need not to have any x and y. Just choose all these and go to the plot. And usually these are recently used plots, but basically if you have to find, you can go to statistical. Here first one is box plot, box chart. You can choose that, so you will get the chart. In the beginning I don't want all this, so I delete. And this, see, it seems to me like it's not a linear, so I want to plot it on logarithmic scale, so it will comes on logarithmic scale. At the same time, I will put this on 10 power, so it will be like exponential scale. So just zoom in and you get this plotter and plot. And in this case you see this is the error bar, and this is a box, means 80% of the data points are here in this range. For this the 80% of data in this range, and this is the mean value. And this is medium, so this is almost in the middle of the most of the data points. It gives the middle point, but this is average mean. That is the sum of every point divided by a number of points. So this is the mean, and this median, that means it is in the middle of the data points. If you have 20, when the 10th one is there, 10 points, it gives that. So this is the one. Let's see how we can modify. You double click here and go to the chart properties. If you want to modify all this together, dependent, otherwise independent, so I want to keep it in dependent, so one change makes all the boxes to modify, so I don't need to change anything here. Pattern, this is the box pattern, so you can choose the borders of the box. Okay, this I want to choose it like in a pink color. And the width, okay, it's fine. And fill color can be in the beginning, the first one can be very dark, like I choose the dark one. And in the gradient, if you want to fill, you have to choose two. And the second one should be like more transparent, not black, so I choose this one. So it looks like apply you, it seems like this. And the border is pattern, that if you see the boxes are changed here, right? In the all boxes you see the pattern is changed. Okay, let's see like here. And what else we change, we want to change the spacing. If you want to, how much distance, this distance you want to change, you can change just it, usually 20% is okay. You can keep 30%, so the spacing between these plots boxes will be higher. And the panel, it's okay, everything is okay. Most important thing is box. Here in the box, the data points, you want to see how many points and what is the range they are arranged. So you don't need to, if you want to show the data as well, you can choose box place data points. You can just see here, these are the points scattered in this way. So if you want to like okay, the ranges, the box range is 25 to 75%. And if you want to show some labels, something like mean value you want to show here as a label, you can just click here in this labels. So you will see this is the mean value of this. Or like that box range or whiskers, I mean error bars or something you want to say, you can just choose here. And most of the things are here. And you can change other parameters as well, the box size and the box shape. And even you can also give the bars or only box, anything you can choose here. And distribution, better not to change. And these are other other changes, my minimum changes we can do even on the direct method. So these are the important points. And later, if you don't want some things, you can just again you go double click. And if you don't want to show the box in the label, I mean the this label, so you can unclick, that's it. You can change the, you want to change the symbol, you can go to symbol, you can give the size, usually keep 8 is okay. If you want to change the fill color, you can change the fill color. So you can see all these changes are happening. So later you can modify the scale, and if you want to keep any other changes, you can just click on scale. You want to keep the lines, I mean lines and ticks, you want to keep on the upper one, I mean you can show here. None usually we don't give here. And the right side as well, you can just show and none, and choose none, apply, okay. And this is the plot. Usually the scale will be changed later. So the major idea is how to plot data points here. A corresponding box and the parameters and the mean, median, and the mean point. The mean point is somewhere like here, and this is behind that mean point, so you cannot see, but here you can see the mean average. Here it is, but the median is like half of the values are the point here, error bar, the box, and everything is here. You can see it looks very clear. In the usually if you see, you don't predict anything from here, but whenever you plot the box plot, you can predict something, what is the range, how it now the data points are scattered, and everything you get some input value, valuable inputs. Okay, then let's see, let's catch up in some other video of using